today's video, we'll be checking out the top 5 best air fryers you can buy in 2022. I've made this list based on buyer suggestions, opinions, and hours of research. I also listed them based on price, features, and durability. Say hello to air fryers. Air fryers have risen in fame in the last few years, and in this video, we'll help you choose the best air fryers you can get in 2022 for all your cooking needs. Number 5. COSORI Airfryer Max XL. Why cook unhealthy when you can cook healthy, delicious meals with less oil? Air fryers famed for their ability to cook your food the healthy way quickly comes in a sleek and performance-filled machine that is COSORI Airfryer Max XL. In the box, you'll find a 5.8 quart air fryer, a quick reference guide, a user manual, plus 100 included recipes you can refer to make the best use out of your new COSORI air fryer. At 5.8 quarts, this large capacity air fryer will fit a whole 5-pound chicken. Compared to its competitor's cycle-shaped basket, COSORI's square-shaped 5.8 quart basket will allow you to fit more food than you can ever imagine. Its corner space provides more cooking footprint and can quickly cook for 3 to 5 people. That's a total dinner capacity in one cooking with one machine. One thing about air fryers is that they help you keep healthy by reducing the amount of oil in your diet. With COSORI Air Fryer's Air Crisp technology and 360-degree air circulation mode, a powerful convection fan reduces the food's oil content by 85%, while letting you cook twice as fast as a traditional oven would. COSORI makes your air fryer cooking seamless and easy as possible. It features 13 one-touch cooking modes that are streamlined to cook your favorite foods in the best way possible in one touch. These include 11 presets, preheat and keep warm. Of course, you can set your own time and temperature for optimal cooking for your creations. COSORI Air Fryer Detachable Inner Basket makes it easy to clean. They're non-stick dishwasher safe and made for PFOA-free and BPA-free materials to know your food is safe. As the first air fryer on our list, COSORI Air Fryer Max XL sure is packing a punch. Number 4. Instant Vortex Pro 9-in-1 Air Fryer. If you're looking for an air fryer that's not like an air fryer but more like an all-stop shop for all your cooking needs, then Instant Vortex Pro 9-in-1 Air Fryer is the one for you. Rather than just an air fryer, Instant Vortex is an all-in-one countertop cooker for all kinds of cooking that you need to be done. Its 9-in-1 features include air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, dehydrating, rotisserie and proofing. In one machine, you get to save space by getting all your cooking modes in one device. It also has 8 customizable programs. With Instant Vortex Pro, you can set your cooking modes to their best capacity. The rotisserie feature is perfect for self-basting and tumble frying, while you get both the outside crunch and the inner tenderness, giving you the ideal crisp with its one-step even crisp technology, all that with 95% less oil. Physically, Instant Vortex boasts of its stainless steel exterior, making it look sleek and clean, together with its bright and easy-to-use touchscreen display. This all-in-one air fryer can cook for more than 6 portions, making it the perfect cooking technology for your family dinner gathering. Need to whip up a quick meal, but your food is dead frozen? Instant Vortex saves you so much time at almost half of a conventional oven by turning your meal from frozen to cooked golden in minutes with little to no preheating time. Instant Vortex is genuinely your go-to machine if you want that all-in-one feature in your air fryer. Not only are they space and time saving, but they also have a built-in safety feature like overheat protection and auto-off to make sure that the only thing it cooks is your food. And number 3. Cuisinart Airfryer. Number 3 on our list of best air fryers you can buy in 2022 is the Cuisinart Airfryer. Much like our previous contender, the Cuisinart isn't just your regular air fryer. As a premium full-size oven toaster with a built-in fryer, you can do much more with this premium machine at around $200 to $250. Function-wise, Cuisinart edges their toaster oven/air fryer with 7 functions: air fry, bake, convention bake, broil, convention broil, warm and toast. With Cuisinart's air fry feature, you get all the benefits of an air fryer, from frying your favorite fries or chicken wings to perfection without the heaviness of oil from deep frying, yet achieving the ideal of a fried food. Its power button goes up to 60 minutes and its temperature settings can go from low as warm to high as 450 degrees. Cuisinart will circulate the heat around the oven and fryer with a built-in high-speed fan, giving your food an even cooked perfection quickly and efficiently. Capacity-wise, Cuisinart fryer and convection toaster oven can bake a 4-pound chicken or a 12-inch pizza, broil salmon steaks and toast 6 bagels, all at once. How great is that? It can also fry up to 3 pounds of food using little to no oil at all. Looking classic in grey, a stainless steel finish and knobs located on top with size dimensions of 15.5 inches in length, 16 inches in width and 14 inches in height, this multi-purpose toaster, oven and air fryer will give many of the cooking functionalities you need. If you're someone who's not just looking for an air fryer but a conventional toaster and oven with the added benefits of an air fryer, then this one is absolutely for you. Number 2. Philips Air Fryer. Shying one place from the #1 spot is a famous brand we all know, Philips Air Fryer. You can never go wrong with any Philips appliances. This air fryer, priced at $299.95 on the market, lets you get the best results from air frying the healthiest way than the conventional deep-fried fries. It allows for that outer crisp and juicy and tender inner cook with 90% less fat. While air fryers are traditionally geared towards frying food without oil, what makes the Philips Air Fryer special is that it can also remove and capture excess fat with its twin turbo star technology. At the same time, its rapid air technology allows for a more even and 7 times faster airflow to achieve crispier results. This allows for a healthier, more delicious cook with less oil and less fat with this air fryer technology. With Philips Air Fryer, you can fry, bake, grill, roast and even reheat your dishes. Its digital display comes with 5 preset cooking programs, including one-touch cooking of frozen fries, meat, fish, whole chicken and chicken drumsticks. You have a quick control dial that sets both temperature and cooking time to your preference for other more personalized and customized cooking. Philips Air Fryer XXL capacity allows for family-sized meals perfect for rapid cooking for that family dinner for up to 6 portions. You can cook a whole chicken or up to 1.4 kilograms of fries with this 7.3 litre capacity pan, 1.5 times faster than it takes to cook in the oven. Are you tired of waiting times? No need to wait or preheat, just turn it on and you're good to go. Not only is Philips Air Fryer perfect for cooking, but it's also very easy to clean and maintain as well. The Air Fryer Quick Clean Basket has a removable non-stick mesh insert that is dishwasher safe. For its price, this air fryer truly packs all the punches for your air frying needs. And number 1, Ninja DZ201 Foodi 6-in-1. Bagging the top spot on our list of the best fryers you can buy in 2022 is the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 6-in-1. Let's start with what made this particular air fryer shoot up to the top of our list. This is the first air fryer with 2 independent baskets to let you cook 2 types of food at once. Want to whip up a fried chicken and fries at the same time? This air fryer will let you do both together and not one after the other like traditional single basket air fryers. This is such a steal considering that the air fryer costs only $179.99. If you're worried whether your fries will burn while you finish cooking your chicken, don't worry. The dual zone technology makes space for 2 types of dishes and makes sure that you can cook both at 2 different temperatures and times. Its Smart Finish feature also ensures that even if you cook 2 different dishes, cooking times can be synced so that they finish simultaneously, making sure both your dishes are hot and fresh on the table. With match cooking, you can easily sync cook settings for both zones if you want to cook double the capacity of your favorite chicken or fries. It fries and cooks your food without oil and 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. The air fryer can cook and has an extra large 8-quart capacity and 4 quarts per basket. Both baskets are also non-stick and easy to use and dishwasher safe. Ninja DZ201 also features 6 customizable programs, including Air Fry, Air Broil, Roast, Bake, Reheat and Dehydrate. At a price lower than $200, Ninja DZ201 Foodi 6-in-1 is the perfect air fryer for those looking to cut their workload and cooking times twice faster than usual. And that's it for today's top 5 best air fryers you can buy in 2022. For more mind-blowing videos of technology, gadgets and electronics, subscribe to this channel, like and share with friends, and we'll see you in the next video.